Think about the last time you searched online. Was it to learn, shop, or satisfy your curiosity? For years, one giant ruled search, Google. Billions of queries daily, showing lists of websites for you to explore. But now, AI changes the game. No more blue links, AI gives you direct answers, explains concepts, and solves problems. Will AI replace Google? Or will they evolve together? Let's break down their powers and how you can use both. Google scans billions of pages, ranks them, then shows results so you find original sources yourself. It's a discovery tool. AI listens to your question, understands context, and crafts a clear, conversational answer all in one place, saving time. Speed? AI often beats Google by giving quick, step-by-step guides. But Google links you to original, verifiable sources. Accuracy matters. Google connects you to trusted websites and official data. AI creates answers based on learned knowledge, sometimes with errors. Need research? Use Google to find sources, then AI to summarize and digest info. Together, they create a powerful learning duo. Planning business? Google helps find market data. AI analyzes, strategizes, and even drafts plans. They're teammates, not rivals. Shopping? Google connects you to reviews, prices, and sellers. AI can explain differences, but you still want trusted sources before buying. Learning becomes easier. AI explains tough ideas simply. Google supplies detailed educational sources. AI tutors, Google libraries. Creatives get trend data from Google, then use AI to write scripts, generate titles, and polish content. Collaboration wins here. Coders use Google for docs and forums, AI for code help and debugging. Both are daily essentials in software development. Businesses gain visibility on Google with SEO and ads, while AI automates support, creates marketing content, and boosts productivity. Can AI replace Google? Probably not today. Google finds info, AI interprets it. One discovers, the other explains. The future? A blend. Search with verified sources, AI summaries, interactive help, personalized tips, all in one seamless experience. Common mistakes: trusting AI blindly, skipping original sources, using only one tool, and stopping your own thinking. Don't fall for these. Imagine 5 years from now, AI tutors, smarter search engines, seamless tech integration. It's not Google or AI, it's Google with AI. The real question: which tool fits your task? Master both, use them wisely, and watch your productivity soar. AI changes knowledge access. Google connects global info. Together, they shape the future of learning, work, and innovation. The future isn't AI versus Google. It's AI with Google. Those who get both will thrive in tomorrow's digital world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on AI tools, tech debates, future trends, and tips to thrive in the AI age.